What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to one how to smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy S9. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn the camera timer on and off. So if you guys find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with anybody that might be looking for this information. So the first thing we're going to start off with is start off by going into our camera app. Once we are in the camera app, what we're going to want to do is go ahead and hit the little gear icon, little settings icon. From there, we're going to scroll down till we find timer. Go ahead, select that, and here it gives us the option of 2, 5, or 10 seconds. So let's just go ahead and select 5 seconds, and now we have the option to select the take 3 shots. So it says take 3 pictures in a row after the timer reaches 0. Only the Auto, Pro, and Selfie camera modes support this function. So let's just go ahead and turn that on. So now that they are both on, they are set. We can go ahead and leave this screen and go to our camera. We are in the auto mode, and from here, let's just say we want to take a picture of this table. We hit go, starts the countdown. And just like that, 3 pictures have been taken. It does have like a second interval between pictures, so if something goofy is going on, you'll be able to catch that. And then right up here at the top, you guys will see a little circle with the number of seconds you have set for it to go off. So let's say you have it on and you're sick of it, you're tired of it, you don't want it any no longer. Go ahead, once again, hit the little gear, hit the timer, 5 seconds, turn it to off. It automatically takes the 3 photo shutter photo off. And just like that, that is how to turn your timer on and off on a camera on the Samsung Galaxy S9. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody looking for this information, please do share it with them. And if you guys would like to see other helpful tips and tricks on the Galaxy S9, be sure to check out that playlist in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.